Changing keypads for AC800. Unscrew the star shape at the bottom of the AC800 reader by using screwdriver provided. Remove the steel back plate. Unplug the core board from the main controller unit. There are 5 screws tighten the main controller unit inside the reader. Unscrew the screws. Unplug the connector for doorbell and LED from main controller unit. Now unplug the IDE cable connected from keypad to main controller unit. Remove the main controller unit and you will find the LCD board and keypad board. These two boards are connected and must be exchanged together. Then you also need to unscrew the screws on the keypad board to remove it. You may find the keypad after removing the keypad board. Take out the keypad and replace it with a new one. Tighten up all screws to locate the LCD and keypad boards. Now you may locate the main controller unit and tighten it. Connect the IDE cable to main controller unit. Make sure the notch is facing out of the controller board. Plug the connector for doorbell and LED back to main controller unit. Plug the core board firmly on the main controller unit. Cover with the steel backplate and tighten the screw. Now power on the reader to test.